Hi everyone, my name is Konstantin. I'm a representative of Standartplast plant and the head of official installation center STP Install. Today we are going to tell you about car soundproofing and how we do it. We'll demonstrate the installation process on Nissan X-Trail, you can see it here. We'll need a minimum set of instruments, including various plastic tools to remove internal panels and rivets, a roll to roll down the vibration damping material, and a heat gun to install heavy vibration damping materials. Before we start installation, we have to prepare the car. We have to take down seats and carpets and remove internal panels from doors and other plastic elements, which will be covered with the material. All the surfaces we are going to install the material on should be cleaned and unoiled. Door soundproofing. We remove the door trim panels. We don't remove the lock and the window lift mechanism. They won't hinder installation. We clean the surfaces of dirt and the factory-installed sound damper if it peels off and can be removed. We don't have to unoil horizontal and sometimes vertical stiffeners, since we won't apply the material to them, because the cavities which form on the bands won't let us roll the material down firmly. If the material is not rolled down firmly, it forms air blisters and accumulated condensate causes metal corrosion. We install the vibration damping material STP Aero as the first layer. It's a 2 mm thick mastic material for damping vibration on the external metal coating. To install the first layer, we have to measure the size. You can use a ruler or tape line. It's better to leave some spare areas near stiffeners, thus we can roll the material down firmly. All the parts of the material must be rolled down. We remove the protective film and apply the material, press it firmly with a hand. Don't overlap the layers, they fit in quite well. After that, we roll the material down with a special roller. After the first layer, we apply the second one. In our case, it's STP Aeroflex 6 mm with an adhesive base. It is an effective sound-absorbing and heat-insulation material. We cut it the same size as the vibration damper, take the protective film off and apply STP Aeroflex over STP Aero. We don't have to roll it down with a roller, it will be enough just to press it firmly with a hand. Initially, there was a factory-installed material on the door, which covered manufacturing holes. We replace it with the vibration damping material we've used before, STP Aero. Apart from its main function, vibration damping, STP Aero will also serve as a vapor-proof and waterproof material. Upon applying, we have to roll the material down with a roller. After covering manufacturing holes, we proceed to the door trim panels. Here we used the 10 mm thick STP B-Plast. Initially there was a factory-installed soundproofing material on the plastic panel, we have to take it off. We clean and unoil the surface. After that we apply the material. STP B-Plast is a sound absorption and heat insulation material. Roof soundproofing. We take the plastic coating off the roof, clean and unoil the surface. As the first layer we applied the vibration damping material STP Aero and roll it down firmly with a special roller. Avoid air blisters formation, they will accumulate condensate. We can control the quality of rolling down if we look at the foil embossment. If the texture is almost unseen, we've rolled the material down properly. After the first layer we apply the second one. We use the 10 mm STP B-Plast. Take the protective film off and fit the material to the previously applied sheet of the material. Floor soundproofing. The floor is the most vibration-loaded element of the vehicle and will need 3 layers of the material for it. As the first layer we use STP Aero 2 mm, it's a vibration damping mastic material. We apply it to the clean and unoiled surface. The second layer is STP Aeroflex 6 mm, it's foam rubber with an adhesive base. This sound-absorbing material also serves as a heat insulator. The third layer is the sound insulator STP Noise Block 2 mm. It mustn't be applied to the internal material directly. It can be used only as the third layer. We apply the second layer. The third layer, STP Noise Block, is a heavy mastic material, so it can be used only on horizontal surfaces, because it can detach itself by gravity. Trunk soundproofing. Two layers of the trunk floor will be the same as the layers of interior floor. As the first layer we use STP Aero 2 mm, at the second STP Aeroflex 6 mm. The only difference is in the internal surface of back wheel arches. Here, as the first layer, we apply STP Bomb Aero 4 mm. Since it's bitumen mastic, we have to use a heat gun to install it. The noise-absorbing material STP B-Plast 10 mm is applied as the second layer. Hood soundproofing. Hoods of most automobiles are equipped with factory-installed heat and noise insulation coatings, but it's not enough. Countercurrent air flows cause vibration of the external metal coating. Through the butts it penetrates into the interior and decreases comfort inside the car. To reduce vibration, we apply vibration-damping material STP Aero 2.3 mm and roll it down firmly. As the second layer, we apply STP Aeroflex 6 mm, which is a sound-absorbing and heat insulation material.